Yan guys, yung mga person, pagod na pagod, papunta kami ng traveling to Cambodia. Ayan. Ayan ang aming, ito yung bus namin papuntang Cambodia. Tapos, ayan. Enjoy the view while traveling. Ayan. Ano natin, adjust natin guys. Para makita nyo. Tutulog muna ako kasi mahaba-habang biyahe to. 7 hours ang biyahe namin from Thailand to Cambodia. See you later! Nasa Cambodia na kami guys. Yung mga bahay dito parang Pilipinas lang din, oh. Parang same lang. Tingnan niya. Parang hindi traffic. Haba ng biyahe namin. Ayan o. Ito ata yung city nila. Ayan. Bye guys. May mga musical pa dito sa ano. Papunta to guys sa shoot, yung inanuhan ng shooting ng Tomb Raider, yung kay Angelina Jolie. Bundok talaga to. Papunta pa lang to, hindi pa to yung ano.
Oh, nalaglag sa pamaypay mo.
May mga musical pa dito sa ano. Papunta to guys sa yung inanuhan ng shooting na Tomb Raider. Yung kay Angelina Jolie. Bundok talaga to. Papunta pa lang ito. Hindi pa to yung ano.
Oh, nalaglag sa pamaypay mo.
Yan o. Ibit-bit ka bang napkin?
Adi also din.
Ano din? Structure. Yan guys. May mga humuhuning ibon. May mga wild ano oh. Chicken. Ayan. Ayan yung isa lang ang daanan nito palabas guys. Kaya kailangan talaga naming sundan yung tour guide. $40 minutes kami dito.
It's a main entrance. Number one facing west. But only number one. But it's one no.
Where's the others?
Or some already inside. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so already in the way. okay. Okay. So first I tell you about this temple. Actually, this religion is Buddhist, but the King J7 who built this consecrated to his mother. But it's good tourists to see this temple just in trees only because it's now the temple that closed for restoration by Indian government in Cambodia and Cambodian government project. So they closed some part of this building. Yeah. So there are 4 trees that you can have the photo with it. The first tree that the root will look like octopus because octopus tree. Yeah, that usually they had a good photo because and the next tree there is called like the root is look like the snake body. So we call that snake tree or naga tree. And the third tree there is also parasite, the Tomb Raider spot. That in your map that you can see the root grow around the door of the temple. That root they look like the spider web. Yeah, that's the Tomb Raider. So tonight you can see in the YouTube search for Tomb Raider. You will see this temple again. And the last, the 4 trees over there, that the root grow like the finger like this, but some root they grow into a vine look like the butt. So yeah, when you see they look like everything. Yeah, this kind of parasite. So, but if you get to see in the main temple, I will explain you there. When you get there, you see a lot of holes on the rock like this on the wall. But here, you see some hole like this. This is a stone that used for carry. They put the stick and rope, they carry the stone. But when you see the holes there, that the king that put his mother statue there, they put a lot of gold or diamond or gemstone there. They made 1,000 holes. This is why the Thailand soldier, because Siam took in that time, they attacked in the city, they stole all the gemstone. Some of the golden statue also that stole from here, now they still in palace, in the palace. In Thailand, yeah. Okay. This is why that the war between Cambodia and Thailand happened many years until this city abandoned. And also when the Khmer or Cambodia escaped to be a new capital of Phnom Penh, and the Thai start controlling this area over 300 years. Yeah, and then the French arrived here, and then Khmer, they asked Cambodian, they asked French to protect the country by push the Siam away, Thailand away. But you can see the agreement in Paris between French and Siam in 1907. This Angkor that took back from Thailand in that time. Okay.
On a fait la première fois en plus, on a fait tourner
Yan yung puno. Anong puno yan?
Cậu được ngay là xong rồi.
Đi ra đi về.
Ở một cái nguồn đi mồi lết.
Ayan, sobrang init kasi dito guys. Parang
Strip na, ay yung toast
alas,
magkagano.
alas 2 na dito.
Yan talaga napakarami.
Sa Cambodia. Sobrang init. Daga, ano kami ng mga temple. Nagbe-visit kami ng mga temple. Kaya isa sa mga temple ito. Yung pinag-shootingan nila, Angelina Jolie, yung Tomb Raider. Yan yung snake tree. Yan, palabas na tayo. Going down. Ayan na. Ayan. Ito yung nandito pa rin tayo guys sa Tomb Raider yung pinag-shootingan. Ayan.
数でできます。数で。はい。はい。なんかああいうパースがあります。
Oo. Ano na siya na? Let's go! Yan yung mga structures na gawa sa kamay. Ayan. Ito yung ganda ng mga ano yan. Design. Ayun na meron pang ano. Parang structure. Oh, dito madilim na guys. Kita nyo pa ba? Ayan, kita naman. Kita naman pala kahit nasa loob. Ayan, nasa loob tayo na. Pa-exit na to guys. Ang taas naman. Ano niya, oh. Ceiling.
Galing na yata kayo dito, di ba ba?
So, sira mo lang itong
Ano tawag yan sa puno na yan?
Hindi po dyan po nag-shoot si Tomb Raider, yung si Angelina Jolie. So, yan, dito po sa area na to. Nag-shoot siya. Wala po ba kayo tour guide?
Meron kami.
Saan?
Nauna na.
Kaya nga ikaw ang hinaharang namin eh.
Nauna na.
So, kaya po tinawag na Tomb Raider kasi dito po sila nag-shoot noon. Alam niyo po ba yan? Hindi.
Yes,
Yes, alam
O
namin.
yun, yung Tomb Raider. Dito po yun. Yung one, unang-una. Yung dito siya nag-ampun ng anak niya. Na Cambodia.
Dito pala yung mga nakalagay yung mga gems. Tapos kinuha lang ng mga ano. Country ata ang kumuha dito na ano. Yan guys. Yan. Wala na. Ito mga puno na lang to. Ito yung kabuuan ata ng structures. Let's go. Finally guys, nakalabas na kami ng tomb. Mga structures. Ayan.
No sitting on the balustrade. Kasi malapit na siyang mag-breakdown.
Baka mga ano na yan. 100 years old na yan. Exit. Ayan na yung exit. Finally. We are done. Ayan. One more video. Ayan. Oh, that's the last structure before we exit. Ayan. May local na nag-music guys. Ayan. Mga foreigner din to. Mga tourist. Foreign tourist. Ayan. Puro puno to. Trees. Surrounded by the trees. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Ito yung breakfast ko. Ito lang ang pili kong food. Pero marami doon. Maraming pagkain. Kasi buffet ito eh. Pero ito lang yung gusto ko. Kain tayo. Breakfast. Ayan, may coffee. Yan guys, yung Mekong River. Yun yung cruise nila.